Let's find recently deleted posts on Instagram. Now, if you deleted a post on Instagram and you're wondering where did it go, you want to go back to it, maybe you want to see it, maybe you want to restore it, I'm going to show you how to find it and how to do all those different things. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram, and I'm going to tap on my profile at the bottom right. Now, I'm just going to go through the steps of deleting one of these and then showing you where to find it. So let's go into this post here and hit those three dots at the top right, and then hit delete, and then delete. So now I have deleted that post, but if I wanted to find it and get it back, all I have to do is hit the three lines at the top right, and then I will go into your activity, and then just scroll down and there's a recently deleted section. So I can go in here and there are a couple different things. At the very top, there's both posts, or I can go over to Reels, or stories as well, and see these stories. So if I wanted to get this post back, you can see it says 30 days. That's the number of days left until it's completely and permanently deleted from my Instagram account. If I wanted to get it back, all I have to do is just click on it, hit the three dots at the top right, and then hit restore. And that will restore this back to my profile. Everybody will be able to see it, and it won't be in this recently deleted section anymore. See? Let me refresh this. There it is. Right back onto my profile. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.